for a home away from home, this is one of the best property for you to stay at Shortlet right here in Lekki PHASE1, right? So this is our 3-bedroom apartment on 2nd floor, and it's located in a well-secured and serene environment in Lekki PHASE1. This place I am now is a living room. You can see the living room is well spacious. Look at the premium couch we have for you. We have this beautiful couch, and this is almost like 5-seater chair. You can see how long it is. We have this beautiful artwork for you. All right, so look at the curtain. This is the main entrance. We have this curtain at the main entrance that you can slide to both left and the right. We have this 75 inches TV for you. We have a DSTV Explorer right for you. We have this beautiful design for you. You can see the roof is a POP roof. It comes with rope lights, and it comes with inbuilt speaker as well. If you like to play music through this Bluetooth speaker, yeah, it's fine, right? You can see the center table. This place is a place you can call home away from home, right? So let's take a look at the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. It's a fully fitted kitchen where you see everything you need in one place. It comes with microwave and oven. So what you need here is just to bring in your food stuff and you start cooking, right? Everything you need is right here for you. So we have washing machine for you, okay? We have 4-phase burner. We have heat extractor. You have a blender for you to blend your pepper and do some other thing. We have an electric jug as well. We have a toasting machine for you, okay? So you like to see the exit of the kitchen. So this is the exit of the kitchen to the back. It comes fully fitted with the air condition as well. And look at the fridge we have for you. Okay, right, let's go. This is the dining area. It's a 4-seater dining. Okay, so let's check the rooms to one after the other. So this is room number 1. Let's have a look. Look at the beauty of this room. This is a 7x6 bed. You can see the bed is a standard bed as well. So we have 45 inches TV for you. It also comes with air condition as well. We have mirror there. We have the wardrobe here. Okay, so this is the toilet and bathroom. So you have enough space in your wardrobe. So from this room now, you have access to the balcony. So this door, if you open this door now, you burst out to the balcony where you can see the town view. So here is the balcony right from this room. Okay, so that is room 1. Remain 2 other rooms. So you also have this whole space to do some other thing. Okay, so let's check room number 2. It also comes with 6x7 standard bed. We have 42 inches TV for you. If you are a Muslim, we also have a prayer mat for you. We take that into consideration as well if you are a Muslim, right? From this room as well, you also have access to balcony. Okay, so you also have access to this balcony to walk around. Look at it, it's long like this. So this is a place you can call home. If you are in diaspora, you are looking to come for holiday home, just contact me and I will give you the very best property. All right, so let's go. So let's take a look at the bedroom. So this is the 42 inches TV. We have AC there as well. Okay, so let's go. So this is the room number 3. right? This come with 6 by 6 bed. You can see the standard bed as well. You can see the quality we put in place for you. It's also come with inbuilt speaker. We have a very nice POP lighting, and we have wardrobe for you. You can see you have enough space in the wardrobe, and we have iSense 42 inches for you, right? So this is the bedroom. It also comes with standing cubicle shower as well. So now you have this place. You can put your laptop here. You can do some office work that you need to do maybe away from home. You can do that here, right? So this is one of the best apartments you can think of. If you are in diaspora and you are thinking of coming home maybe during Christmas time, this is one of the apartments you can stay. It comes with 24 hours security. It comes with 24 hours power supply, right? So, and it's located in a well-secured and serene estate in Maruwa by Lekki PHASE1. So if you like to book for this apartment, I will advise you to book earlier because people are booking ahead. If you like to inspect or you like to know more about this apartment, the availability and all, just call the number on the screen. I remain your number one trusted electric consultant in Lagos City. Ibrahim Budi is my name. See you in the next video. Cheers.